Ave Maria. Here we are in Toro Negro State Park, I think is what it's called, right? The tower. We hiked up here to the observation tower. And today is, watch your head, right? Today is Thursday, the 29th of January, the year of our Lord, 2026. It's the memorial of St. Fáil, the Bard of Ireland in the 500s AD. So we'll sing a verse of his poem that he wrote, right, Cillian Thomas? St. Cillian, 600s AD. Be thou my battle, shield, sword for the fight. Be thou my dignity, thou my delight. Thou my soul's shelter, and thou my high tower. Raise thou me heavenward, O power of my power. We're here in central Puerto Rico, near Jayuya. Right, Kitty? Anything else? Yeah. Anything else, Cillian? Say hi, Cillian. What do you have to say, Cillian? Nothing? Ave Maria.